Guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Octave on your macOS. Now the thing that I'm making this video is I've actually found pretty much tutorials on how to install macOS, but I couldn't get to know what are they actually doing. Some of them are outdated and some of them they don't even work. So in this video I'll show you how I got it work. Now the first thing is Octave. Octave is much more similar like a MATLAB. If you know MATLAB, it's a kind of it's a paid version of Octave, you can say. And so many of us won't even buy that MATLAB because for student also it's a kind of expensive. So yes, but Octave is a scientific programming language, and one thing you will get to know is that if you download it for Windows, it's damn simple, right? You just have to go to the Windows tab and you just click on the installer, and it will set up all the things required. But if you just try to install it on macOS, no, it's not that much simple. You need to have a third-party package manager such as Homebrew, MacOs, and Think. And let me show how to install those. So in order to install Homebrew, what you need to do is just type on brew and just hit enter. Click on the first link here, and we are here, the missing package manager for macOS. Now to install it, what you need to do is just press command space on Mac, and it will just come up the spotlight search for terminal. Just hit enter. Now what you need to do is copy this link, and then paste over here, hit enter, and it will actually start the installation process. And here it is asking for password, so just type your password. My password is actually a long one. Alright, it would take time, so I think I'll pause the video here and I'll see you soon. It's done, and it took me about kind of 5 minutes or so, depending upon the processor speed and downloading speed. Now there are, as I told you, that there are so much rubbish out there. So what the tutorial said is you need to type brew tab homebrew and then science, and it will give you an error. And this is what many tutorials out there told you to do so, but this give you error. And if you just try this, it still give you error. So what do we do now? The first thing is you need to update your Homebrew package and upgrade it. So just type brew upgrade and brew update. Said already updated. Now the thing you need to do is it's a pretty damn simple. You need to just say brew install Octave. That's it. That's how simple it is. And I have already installed the Octave, and one thing I would say, it would take time, so give it time. It would take about 5 to 10 minutes to install completely. And now in order to know that whether it has installed correctly or not, you should type Octave here, and it will give you, if you see this GD Octave version 4.40, that means it is correctly installed on your system. Now as I told you that Octave is similar to MATLAB, so if you know MATLAB, all kind of syntax that you have worked on MATLAB will be compatible with Octave. So let me show you a few of examples. You can just perform 4 plus 5, it will give you a 9. Is 1 equal to 0? Of course not, that's why it's 0. 1 equal to 1? Yeah, it is. So it's 1. You can create matrices. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 by 3 matrices we are going to create here. And here you go. And let's again create another matrix. Say 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 9, 1, 4, 5. And wait a minute. Alright, I did a mistake here. Should be a square bracket, not curly. And in order to add those matrices, you just need to type a plus b. And if you want to assign it to another matrix, let's call it C, here we assign it. and it will just give you C matrix. And what else? Yes, you can, square a number. It's 3 times 2. It makes 3 to the power 2. It will give you 9. And if you just do a division operation, it's just simple. If you need to perform log operation, say log 5, it will give you the answer. If you want to find exponential of 3, it will give you. It's basically used for the computation, mathematical purposes. That's why I think, a kind of a scientific programming language. What else? Wait a minute. Yeah, you can, for example, let's say that we have a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, let's say, and we want to sum over the rows. What you can do is just sum A, and it will give you a sum. So that's how simple is it to use Octave and install Octave. All right. I hope that you find it useful. So thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.